let's make a plate on the pottery wheel. Right here I'm centering my clay, which is about 4 pounds of red mid-fire range clay. I'm coning it up and then continuing to center it using my rib and just my bare hands. Then I start to flatten it a little bit with my palms, just making like a hockey puck. Now here's my trick. I use a thick piece of PVC pipe that is cut wider than my wheel, but just narrower than my splash pan, so I can fit it in there and really push down. The trick here is to keep it very, very wet. Next, I'm going to use my wooden stick to put it just under the rim and lift up to create sort of a rim around the edge, using a sponge to clean it up. Plastic rib to just get the extra slip off. Just fine-tuning the rim. Using my needle tool just to get that extra sludge off the bottom and wiring it off, and that's it.